Right, Colin, let's summarise what we want from our new packaging. We need to put 12 times the amount of current information that's on the pack. We need the information to stay with the pack throughout the supply chain into the hands of the consumer. We need the consumer to be able to refer back to the information on multiple occasions. We need a primary and also a secondary supplier around the globe, but they all must have common technology. What we want is one pack for all markets, regardless of the language. We need to simplify procurement and reduce our stock holding unit. We want to show we're environmentally friendly, so we need to reduce the packaging. And finally, we want to improve the line speed and reliability so we avoid any stoppages on the production line. Right, Colin, I'd like you to go away, come back to me next week and let me know what you find.
The ever-increasing legislative and consumer demand for product information and extended on-pack content poses a continual problem for manufacturers worldwide. Just how can such lengthy details be conveyed on the product? Conventional methods have their disadvantages. Loose leaflets and neck tags can become easily detached or lost. A carton and loose leaflet can also get lost or at least be difficult to use. Besides this, inserting the information into the pack in the first instance is notoriously difficult, if not impractical at times. A common solution to this is to reduce type sizes. However, this often results in the label being unreadable, may discourage your end user from making the best out of the information, and at times may even contravene legislative guidelines. So what is the cure for such a packaging headache? Fixaform provides the ultimate solution. By combining an ordinary printed leaflet with a self-adhesive label supplied on reel, now you can create unlimited space where space is limited. Detailed information can be accommodated in a variety of formats, either in a concertina leaflet style or a booklet style with virtually any number of pages, providing maximum user-friendliness, or a cross-folded leaflet style, ideal for conveying extensive user information and promotional posters or brochures. With a whole host of features and benefits, it is no wonder that brand owners and manufacturers worldwide are increasingly choosing Fixaform to provide their packaging solutions. And furthermore, Fixaform products can be applied to virtually any container or pack type. The ever-increasing legislative demands for comprehensive patient information means that lengthy details must be included on pack. Whether it is for OTC products or prescribed drugs and medicines, it is paramount that critical information such as dosages and methods for usage remain with the product. Regulatory requirements for pharmaceutical products can be a nightmare. Everything from labelling to product information, barcodes, batch codes and expiry dates must come together without complications.
Unclear labelling or poor user instructions in pharmaceutical products can cause some big problems. Compared to other markets, it's absolutely critical that the information is correct and well laid out. But if the information is wrong or poor quality, rather than it just causing a confusion, it can actually cause a serious issue like a health problem or, in the worst case, a fatality.
Unlike the traditional loose leaflet contained inside a carton with the product, the Fixaform leaflet label is directly attached to the container and can either be re-sealable or, for added security, permanently glued with a perforation incorporated into the leaflet cover to allow the consumer easy access. Apart from already stringent manufacturing controls ensuring correct match between leaflet and label, our state-of-the-art technology is able to verify correct match by use of dual barcodes, which are scanned during internal inspection, safeguarding your product. Each Fixaform leaflet label can be overprinted with variable data such as batch code and date of manufacturer details. Also, an extended label tab design provides tamper evidence, whilst an optional hologram also confirms the product's authenticity. An easy-to-remove sticker can even be included with overprintable areas for attaching documents such as patients' records.
I think there's a real opportunity to use multi-page labels on pharmaceutical products. A lot of pharmaceutical companies have a requirement to produce information in a number of different languages on a single label. And I think increasingly companies are looking to add value as well in terms of the information they provide. And I think multi-page labels could provide an opportunity to give that information to patients.
According to the United Health Foundation, the misuse of OTC medications accounts for a reported 178,000 hospitalizations annually in the USA alone. Around 25% of older people's hospital admissions are due to incorrect usage of prescription drugs. Magpie Research carried out an independent survey on behalf of Fixaform, which concluded that 35% of people never keep loose leaflet paper instructions. 24% of respondents said they would be more inclined to read the information if attached in leaflet label format.
It gives all the information required in a sort of clear and concise form, and obviously it's always readily to hand, so that the patient needs it any time during the course if they have any queries. Particularly the main benefit of them is if they develop any side effects as the course goes on. It's not always when they start the medicine, often towards the end of the course they might develop some problems or concerns, and then they can look and see if that's a recognised side effect.
The appearance, as you may see, the Fixaforms are very neatly on a bottle, and then they stay on the bottle. You know, unlike when you have the other products we used before, when the patient takes it out of the box, it's loose. They cannot find most of the time they cannot find the PI in the carton. This is affixed to the bottle, and you know, it's safe and it's very attractive.
Whatever your requirements, Fixaform can provide the solution. It is no wonder that Fixaform has enjoyed widespread popularity with multinational manufacturers of all kinds of consumer goods. Fixaform Global Network offers the cure to your packaging headaches. Unlimited space where space is limited, for example multilingual. Automatically applied using standard labeling equipment with little or no effect on current production speeds.
Adaptable to virtually any container type.
User-friendly way to convey information.
On-pack impact, making your products stand out from the crowd.
Added value.
In-store promotion.
Image enhancing.
Cost effective.
Whatever your requirement, Fixaform products can be applied to virtually any product. Our worldwide network of 20+ licensees means you can promote your brand globally in over 40 national markets. Each Fixaform licensee is a leading self-adhesive label printer, offering all of the traditional techniques and services to complement those specific to Fixaform leaflet label production, typically including pre-press artwork and plate-making facilities, state-of-the-art Fixaform converting machinery, specialist die-cutting equipment, a selection of ancillary finishing machines, extensive quality control equipment and procedures, label application machines available from each licensee, freestanding, high-speed application, minimal or no effect on current production speed.
We run this line at 250 bottles per minute. Fixaforms are attached on the labelling machine automatically to either the cap or the rear of the bottle with no effect on line speed whatsoever.
Yeah, the Fixaform labels have really helped us to get into some of the foreign markets because it's essential the information is in the appropriate language.
If you look at the complexity of the sticker and how it's attached to our products, it goes through 6, 7, 8 different variations of hands before it gets to the end user, and the fact that it's stuck on the product has been the greatest advantage for us.
But yeah, I'm very proud of the result we've got, and it does show you the power of packaging as a way to communicate added value messages, which clearly Fixaform allow you to do very easily.
The flow of using Fixaforms on the production line is easier. We're working one person less on the line having used Fixaforms. Anything that cuts costs as a buyer appeals to me.
So Colin, you think Fixaform leaflet labels are the answer? So it'll give us enough space to put any user information and any marketing messages, so it attaches to the container and stays with the product into the stores and on the pack even after the consumer started using it. You're saying there is already a global network of suppliers in place. We can label every pack in every language, ready to ship wherever there's a demand. We can simplify procurement and reduce our inventory. It will also reduce our packaging, and production say it will actually speed up the line. Well done, Colin. I think using Fixaform labels is going to benefit us all round.
Fixaform International Limited. For further information, visit our website www.fixaform.com.